Alright, I'm out here at Industrial Boulevard in Americus, Georgia, and we've got another abandoned crossing on this former Georgia Southwestern line. Not sure if this is a early mid-90s NS install or an early mid-90s Georgia Southwestern install. Depends on when GSWR took over this line. But anyways, we got a couple of cantilever signals here. Right here is the first one. As you can see, it's safe trend cantilever. There is a dot tag on this signal buried in there. As you can see right over there, it's an old Southern Railway one. The dot number is 733908V, it appears. Then we got the mast lights, which are all Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights. They're the Hawker Siddelli branded ones. As you can see right up there. They're all incandescent, of course. Then the overhead lights are more Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights from the same time frame. The gate mast, I'm gonna go over here real fast. The gate mast, it has a Safetran base buried in there somewhere. You can I think you might be able to kind of see the logo if the camera would focus, but Safetran base. Then we got a Safetran gate mast. I might see if I run around getting a better view of that real fast. It's bit of an awkward spot to get to because of all the overgrowth here along this abandoned line. So yeah, right there you can see it's Safetran. Then the gate lights are all NEG, which is part of the reason why I think this might actually be an old part of the reason why I think this might be an old NS install, especially with the relay case right there. Real fast, you can see there, no trespassing, GSW Railroad, Georgia Southwestern. Then we come over here to this signal, and we've got some more stuff over here. It's pretty similar to the first, but it's a different model of cantilever, as you can see. So here's the second cantilever. It's another Safetran cantilever, different model, but it is Safetran. Not sure why they used different models of cantilever, but they did. We got more Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights on the mast, as you see right there. Then we got more Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights on the overhead, which if I get back here you can see a bit better. Right up there is close up to one of those. Then the lone bell here, which is on top of this cantilever signal. It is a Safetran mechanical bell, as you can see, probably see right up there. And then we got a Safetran base right there. A Safetran gate mechanism. It's an A style like the other. Not seeing any marks for where NS stickers might have been though, so again, it's kind of hard to say. It might be GSWR. I thought I saw one over there, but it's hard to tell. And the gate lights on this signal, this one right here is damaged, but as you can see, they are NEG. And like I said, it's on the GSWR line. That way's looking south, that way's looking north, I believe, to Columbus, Georgia. And here's the back view of this signal. So yeah, here's the abandoned Industrial Boulevard Road crossing in Americus, Georgia. Over and out.